couple of our green onions, and of course, a little bit more of the bacon. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an omelet. I have 2 large eggs. I have some bacon that I cooked up earlier. Oh yeah, I love bacon. I got some green onion here. I have some tomato, some cheddar cheese. You can use whatever cheese that you want. I have a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of water. Some people don't add water. I don't always add it. Some people add milk or cream. Totally up to you. The water or the cream or milk is supposed to enrich the eggs and make them a little more fluffy depending on what you use. I'm gonna add in my water to my eggs. Add in my salt and my pepper. There we go. Let's just give this a good mix with a fork or a little whisk. All right, those are ready to go. Excellent. All right, here we are. We're at the stovetop. I have the burner set right around medium heat. We don't want to get this super hot. So what we want to do is we want to add just a little bit of oil. I'm just using a little bit of olive oil there. Let's move it around a little bit. And then let's just add a little bit of butter. And just let that butter melt. Turn the pan around a little bit. Hear that nice sizzle. This pan is ready to go. Let's go ahead and just pour our eggs right in there. And then with your spatula, you want to come into the side here and bring this in a little bit. And so the egg's gonna go to that spot where there was no egg. And let's do that over here. Okay. Just go over this side and just pour that. See that? Okay. Go to this side. Tilt the pan and let the egg flow down there. And what we're wanting to do is we're wanting to cook the egg all around. And so we're going to keep doing this. Tilting and letting the extra egg from the top go down to the side. There's also a method where you'll just stir in the middle, and that helps too. There you go. And then once you have it all, pretty much all done, just let it sit there and cook for a little bit longer. It's going to get nice and dry on the edges. We really don't want to overcook this. We don't want it super brown. So there we go. At this stage, it's probably only been about a minute. It's gone pretty fast. What we want to do is add in our toppings, and I'm going to add them onto this side right here. I'm going to do some cheese. And if you just want a cheese omelet, just go with that. I'm going to do some of my tomatoes, green onion, and some of my bacon. Perfect. Now this is ready to go. You can just flip it right in the pan. Or what you can do is just take your pan and look how easy it just slides right out. Just let it go halfway and then just let the other top go right on it. Look at that. Awesome. And then I'm going to come in here and put on some more cheese, a few more tomatoes, a couple of our green onions, and of course, a little bit more of the bacon. And there we go, one of my favorite omelets. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah.